How to lock and unlock Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can lock and then unlock your Facebook account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Facebook. Make sure you're logged in into your account. After you log in into your account, you'll need to head over to your profile page. To do that, tap on the three lines on the bottom right, that is the menu. And after you're on your menu, tap on your username on the top here. After you tap on the username on there you should see your profile and the edit profile and stuff. So right besides edit profile, you'll find three dots. Tap on the three dots option, and after you're on your profile settings, there you'll find an option called lock profile. Tap on lock profile and tap on lock profile again to lock your profile. They can see what locking your profile does, and after that your profile will just get locked. Tap on OK, and now no one other than your friends will be able to see what's on your profile. So yeah, after you've logged your profile, you'll see this option right here. I mean this disclaimer that says you've locked your profile to know if you have done it or not. So after doing that, what you can do to unlock the profile is again go to the menu option, then your profile, and then tap on the three dots right besides edit profile, and here you'll see unlock profile. Tap on unlock profile and tap on this unlock option. After doing that, your profile will get unlocked, and it's that simple. So yeah, as you can see, you've locked your profile option. Your disclaimer is gone as well, and that's how you lock and unlock your profile on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.